In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your trips on Notion. Whether you're setting off on a brief weekend getaway or embarking on a longer journey, Notion's travel templates can help streamline your planning process. This is a perfect way to ensure everything from your itineraries to packing lists is neatly organized. So, grab a comfy seat and let's dive in. First things first, you need to navigate to your Notion workspace. If you're already familiar with it, you know it's your go-to spot for all things related to your projects, documents, and wikis. Simply head over to the Notion website, where you can access all your connected tools in one convenient place. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, look for the Login button on the homepage. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. It's a good idea to ensure you're signing into the correct account that holds your travel information or any past planning data that you might want to refer to. After logging in, you'll want to go straight to the Notion home. This is where all your magic happens. Consider this your hub for all personal or work documentation. Navigating through this area is a breeze, and from here, we'll take our next step, which is diving into the template world of Notion. On the sidebar, you'll notice a Templates option. Clicking on this will open up a universe of pre-prepared workspaces. These templates are like preset guides that can massively simplify the setup process, ensuring you spend more time enjoying the journey and less time on the nitty-gritty of planning. Next, you'll want to search for what's called the Travel Dashboard. This will bring up a selection of customizable options designed to help you keep track of travel plans. Simply type Travel Dashboard in the search bar, and you'll see various templates curated just for traveling needs. Once you spot a suitable template, select it. You'll get a preview that gives you an idea of what the completed dashboard will look like. Take a moment to explore its features and ensure it aligns with your planning style. Whether you prefer a minimal layout or a more detailed script that covers every facet of your trip. When you've decided on the perfect template, click on the Add button. This imports the template into your personal workspace, allowing you to make changes directly and tailor it to your upcoming trip. Finally, it's time to edit the template. Start filling in the details of your trip, such as your itinerary, accommodation, transportation, and any activities planned. The beauty of Notion is in its flexibility, so feel free to rearrange sections, add checklists, or insert images and links to other documents as needed. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've turned your Notion workspace into a comprehensive travel planner. It's time to bring your travel dreams to life with this organized approach. So go ahead and enjoy your journey with peace of mind, knowing that everything is perfectly planned and only a few clicks away.